So today I would like you to do some problems from permutations. First, I'll write the question. See, whenever you are doing permutations and the combinations, we have to think first. That's why I'm giving certain space to think. I'll write the question first and I'll do 2 to 3 minutes time. Please try to think over the problem. After that, I'll only explain. The question number one. A man has a four sons. A man has four sons and there are five schools near to him. Near to him. In how many ways? In how many ways he admit he can admit his sons, comma, so that no two of them will be in the same school. I'm explaining the question first. See, a man has a four children. There is a four children, and before beside his home, near to his home, there are five schools, and he want to admit those four children into the five schools. Those four children into the five schools, so that no two of them will be in the same school. Everyone should be in different school. How many ways? Speak out. I'm explaining. See if you want. So while we are talking about, sir, I know that this crowd is very good. Last few classes I saw you people are very good in mathematics. I know, but don't be calm like this. Try to give the answers to. Since it is the first question, I'm only explaining. See. So while I am talking about the four number of kids, I took the first kid. When you want to take the admission of the kid one, how many schools you have? He may join in the first school, he may join in the second school, he may join in the third school. Therefore, to the first kid, there is a five number of options he have. Now to the second, suppose he joined in this school. So when we are talking about the second kid, so now to join the second kit, I have only four options. Why? Because no two of them will be in the same school. So the second one can be joined in the first school or second school or third school or fourth school. So there are the four number of options into
So 5, 4, 3.
3, 2, 5, 4, 3, 2. It is can be written as a 5P4. Five schools, four we have to select. So I set the formula. Array, it is enough to write this. Whenever you are writing competitive exam, you will calculate like this. How much it is? 5 fours are 20, 120.
So 120 ways.
But
120.
very good, very good. But when I am
20.
representing mathematically, it is 5P4. Among 5 schools, I have to select the 4 schools, 5P4. What is the formula yesterday? I said NPR is equal to n factorial by n minus r factorial into r factorial. That is 5 factorial by, sorry. 5 factorial by 5 minus 4 factorial. That is 5 factorial by 1 factorial. 5 factorial is 120 by 1, that is equal to 120. I'm requesting you everyone, please try to do like this only. In the same time, you have to know, this is also one more representation. Please copy it.
Sir, can you please explain once again?
So the question is, a man has a 4 sons, and near to his home there are 5 schools. Near to him there are 5 schools. The question they're asking, in how many ways I can admit a student into the school such that or so that no two of them will be in the same school. No two of them will be in the same school. That's why I started my experiment. I took the first student. When I want to join this student, how many schools I have? This student can be joined into the school one,
5 schools.
5 schools. Therefore, 5 options. If I joined in the first to second school, suppose, now to the second person, how many options we have? For the second person,
4.
4 options. Suppose I joined in here. Now for the third person, 3 schools are there. I joined here. For the last person, 2 schools. Any one of the thing I should join. There's a 5 into 4 into 3 into 2. That is number of chances to join 4 sons into the 5 schools. Like that. Just copy it. Can I go to the next question?
Yes, sir.
Please copy it. Please copy it.
Copied, sir.
Very good. 2 to 3 minutes.
Sir, done.
Question number 2 on the board. Question number 2 on the board. First, understand the question. Find the number of ways of arranging letters of the word triangle so that all vowels first question, first one, start with vowel. Second one, start and end with vowel. Third one, all vowels together. And the next one is all vowels together. Very good question. So I'm explaining the questions. Find the number of ways of arranging the letters of the word triangle. So that what is the word? Word I'm writing triangle. TRIANGLE. Okay. First one. In how many ways you can arrange? How many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 are there. So total number of arrangements is equal to 8 factorial. I said yesterday, if I have 4 friends and they came to my home for lunch, so I kept 4 chairs here. So 4 friends can be arranged in 4 chairs in first blank can be filled in 4 ways. Therefore, 4 into 3 into 2 into 1, that is equal to 4 factorial. Remember this. My master have 4 friends and my masters in home, they have 4 chairs. 4 friends can be arranged in 4 chairs in 4 factorial ways. Like that. Here, how many blanks we have? 8 blanks we have. How many letters we are having? 8 letters. 8 letters can be arranged in 8 blanks in 8 factorial ways. Remember that. Or it can also be called it as 8p5. Now, first one is what? First one is that among 8 letters, the first letter should be vowel, they said. This one I'm talking. Among all the letters, the first letter should be vowel. So actually, what are the vowels here? What are the vowels here? A is the vowel, I is the vowel, E is the vowel. How many vowels we have? 3 vowels we
Three.
have.
3.
3 vowels. Therefore, since they said the starting letter is a vowel, this can be placed in 3 ways. It may be with I, it may be with A, it may be with E. This can be filled in 3 ways. See, among that one letter we filled. Now, how many blanks we have?
Sir, 5.
7, right?
7.
Right, total 8.
7.
Total 8 blanks are there. Among 8 blanks, first blank I filled with an vowel. First blank I
Yes, sir.
filled with an vowel. Now remaining 7 blanks are there.
Yes, sir.
Those 7 blanks can be filled in 7 factorial ways. Therefore 3 into 7 factorial. Didn't understand? I am saying you again. See, I am talking about number. The second thing they are asking, starting letter and the ending letter should be vowel, it seems. Starting letter and ending letter should be vowel. How many vowels we have? 3 vowels. So this blank can be filled in 3 ways, either with I or with A or with E. Among 3, 1 we kept. Now how many vowels we have? Remaining, we have only 2
So
vowels.
2.
So this blank can be
Sir,
filled
3
in
into 2
2.
and 6.
Now remaining 6 blanks are there.
6.
That 6 can
Yes,
be
sir.
arranged in 6 factorial. 3
Yes, sir.
into 6 factorial into
2.
2. Shall I explain again?
No, sir.
The last one. Now the last one. Number 3. They said all vowels together. Sir, how many letters we have? We have 8 letters.
Yes, sir.
Among 8 letters, we have 3 vowels, 5 consonants. Someone please mute yourself. So 5 vowels and 3 consonants. They are asking all vowels together. All vowels together means take one polythene cover and keep all the vowels here, I, A, E, and tag it. Now remaining 5 consonants are there, T, R, N, G, L. Now it is a one polythene cover, one chocolate cover. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It is looking like how many letters? 6 letters. Sir, this is one unit now. We kept in a chocolate cover now. So now one chocolate, one T, one R, one N, one G, one L. These are the 6 letters. Those 6 can be arranged in 6 factorial ways. Now open this chocolate cover. Inside I, A, E is there. How many letters? 3 letters. Those 3 can be arranged in 3 factorial. I'm repeating again. I'm repeating again. So the question they gave, find the number of ways of arranging the letters of the word triangle so that it should start with a vowel. First question. Start and end with a vowel. Second question. All vowels together. Third question. Now, when I am doing the question number 1, first I am writing triangle, triangle. Okay. In triangle, I am writing total number of arrangements. The total number of arrangements are 8 factorial. Why? Because I have 8 letters. I have 8 blanks. 8 letters and the 8 blanks can be filled in 8 factorial ways. Now, question 1. They are asking start with a vowel. So, among 8 letters, if the first letter is a vowel means it should be I, it should be A, it should be E. If the first letter is a vowel, then it can be placed in 3 ways. Means remaining how many blanks are there? 7 blanks are there. And we have 7 letters. So 7 blanks can be arranged in 7 factorial ways. So it is 3 into 7 factorial is 3 into 7 factorial. Now question number 2. Starting with a vowel and ending with a vowel. We have 3 vowels. The first blank can be filled in 3 ways. Means 1 vowel is finished. Remaining 2 vowels are there. So second blank, last blank can be filled in 2 ways. Now in between, there are the 6 letters are there. There are 6 letters. Those 6 can be arranged in 6 factorial ways. Those 6 can be arranged in 6 factorial ways. So the total number of ways are 3 into 6 factorial into 2. Third one. All vowels together. Whenever they said all vowels together, keep all vowels in a one chocolate cover. Keep all vowels in a some chocolate cover. It is looking like a 1 unit. There I wrote. It is looking like a 1 unit. 1 unit. And upon that we have a 5 letters. 5 plus 1, there are 6 letters. They can be arranged in 6 factorial into. I opened this nest, this chocolate cover. In that IAE is there. Again, those 3 can be arranged in 3 factorial ways. That's enough. No need to simplify. It is enough to write answers like that. Please copy it. Please copy it, everyone.
Sir, please again explain the third one.
Copy it. I'll explain it again.
Yes, sir.
Copied, sir.
Completed?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Now, can anyone explain the last one? Some boy asked last one doubt it seems. But if anyone understood, they can explain. No one is there. I'm doing C. The boy who asked. Nikos, thank you very much. At least you responded. The question they are asking, it's like triangle is a word. Triangle is a word. In that, 3 vowels and the 5 consonants are there. In that, 3 vowels and the 5 consonants are there. Write the number of letters, number of words, so that all vowels together. The question, all vowels together. Whenever they said all the vowels are together, take one chocolate cover and keep all the vowels here. I, A, E, all the vowels here. Kept in a chocolate cover like this. And vowels are kept in one chocolate cover. Now 5 consonants are there. It is T, R, A, G, L. Now it is looking like how many? This is one unit. This is one, this is one, this is one, this is one, this is one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. With this one, it itself is
Sir, that one N, sir, N, TRN.
A-N. A-N. T-R-A-N.
Sir, not A, sir.
Not
Sir,
A.
not A.
Yeah.
TRNGL.
T-R-N-G-L. Now, so these are 5 plus 1. It's entire thing which look like 6. 6 members can be arranged in 6 factorial ways in 6 blanks. Now, after arranging, I saw the chocolate cover, I opened it. In that, there are 3 letters, I-A-E. So, 3 letters can be arranged in 3 factorial ways. 3 letters can be arranged in. So, anywhere if you saw, all the letters are at the, all the vowels will be at the same time, same place. All the vowels together. If you want, I'll repeat it again. See. Next question. Everyone copy the next question. I'll explain it. Next question is. Next question. Find the number of ways of arranging. Find the number of ways of arranging 5 boys and 5 boys and 6 girls. First question. All boys together. Second question. Boys should sit alternatively or no 2 boys sit together. It is a perfect. No 2 boys sit together. It's a question number 2. So I'm explaining the questions. So find the number of ways of arranging 5 boys and the 6 girls. There is a one French batch. In that French batch, we have 5 boys and 6 girls. One day they went to some party. Whenever they went to the party, they have to sit in a restaurant. Okay. So the question they are asking, in how many ways they can arrange so that all boys are together. The First question is all boys are together. Whenever the question comes like together, as I said, take one chocolate cover, keep all boys in one chocolate cover. So keep all boys in one chocolate cover, okay, and the remaining 6 girls. Now it's looking like it is a 1 unit plus 6 girls, and it is looking like 7 persons. It is looking like 7 persons. Now 7 persons can be arranged in. It's looking like 7 persons. Now 7 persons can be arranged in 7 factorial ways in 7 places. 7 persons
Seven
can.
factorial.
Now I open this chocolate cover. I observe that in that chocolate cover I got a 5 boys.
5 factorial.
Yes, 5
Seven
boys can be
factorial into
arranged.
5 factorial.
That means what? All boys are together only. It is like girl, girl, all boys, and again rest remaining girls, or girl, 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 and all boys and the girl. Anyway, see, boys are always together. They are not split up. That's the way. Whenever they are asking all boys together, whenever they are asking all boys together, we have to keep the boys in a one chocolate cover or one polythene cover, and we have to suppose that all boys are one unit. If all boys are one unit, the remaining 6 girls are there, so they are looking like 6 girls plus 1 unit. 6 girls plus 1 unit, it is a 6 boys plus 1 unit, it is a total. How many it will become? 7 persons. It's looking like 7 persons. Now 7 persons can be arranged in 7 factorial. From morning I'm shouting that one. After writing 7 factorial, now I open the chocolate cover. From there 5 boys I have. Those 5 them among themselves, they can be arranged in. Next. No 2 boys sit together. Second question. Second question they gave. No 2 boys sit together means boy should not come side by side. Boy and the boy should not come side by side. At that time, what we have to do now? First, arrange 6 girls. 6 girls can be arranged in 6 factorial ways, as we know that. 6 girls can be arranged in 6 factorial ways. Now, in between, how many places we can count? In between the girl. Why? Because boys and boys should not side by side now. So first we have to arrange the girls. Now, how many places are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 benches are there. How many boys we have to place? 5. So 5 boys can be placed in 7 benches in 75 ways. Remember, 5 boys are there, 5 benches are there, then it is 5 factorial. 5 boys are there, 7 benches are there, it is 7p5. The difference is that. So if you keep the boys anywhere here, look at no 2 boys will be side by side. No 2 boys will be side by side. Why? Because in between the girls will be there. That's the thing. Very important questions. This type of question, like previous mains, JE mains, they asked. Find the number of ways of arranging 5 boys and the 6 girls. So that all boys are together is the question 1. No 2 boys sit together is the question 2. Copy it, please.
Sir, please explain the second one again.
Can anyone explain? Anyone understood? But I'll only explain. So what is the question? They said, first copy it, I'll explain. First copy it.
Sir, what is the final value?
No, no need to calculate the values. It is enough to write like that. 6 factorial into 735. No need to calculate the please copy it. I'll explain it again. Completed.
Completed, sir.
Very good. Yeah, I'm explaining again. See. So the question they gave, no two boys sit together. Whenever we said that no two boys are sitting together, whenever we said that no two boys are sitting together, we have to first arrange the girls. We have to arrange the girls first. So I have a 6 girls. Those 6 girls can be arranged in 6 factorial ways. After arranged 6 girls, now how many places we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and the 7. So now the boys have to sit in, these many places. Okay, how many places I have? 7. How many boys I'm having? 5. That is called 7p5. 7p5. Okay, now the next one. Question. Find the number of ways of arranging the numbers 0, 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4 is enough. 1, 2, 3, 4. First one, even number. First one, even number. Second one, end with the 3. Third one, 1 and 3 together. 1 and 3 together. Fourth one, 2 and 4 never together. That's a question. 2 and 4 never together. So I'm writing C. Now you can understand. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 also will write. We'll add 5 also. Then it will be there. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. First they're asking even number. I'm writing about first one. They're asking about even number. So how many digits we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Whenever they are asking the even number, even number means last digit should be even. Even number means last digit should be even number. Sir, here among 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, what are the even numbers? 2 is the even number, 4 is the
Two
even
and-
number. That means this blank can be filled in two ways, either with 2 or with 4. Either with 2 or with 4. Two ways. So among 5 blanks, if one blank is finished, remaining how many blanks we have? So remaining 4 blanks we have. And we have a 4 letters. 4 blanks can be finished in 4 factorial ways. That is 2 into 4 factorial. Even number if they asked. Number 2, they are asking end with 3. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. End with 3 means 3 is fixed. So end with 3 means 3 is fixed, means 3 will be finished. Now how many blanks we have? 4 blanks. How many numbers we have? 4 numbers. So 4 numbers can be arranged in 4 blanks in 4 factorial ways. Second one is finished. Now third one. 1 and 3 together. Whenever they said 1 and 3 together, keep one chocolate cover. And remaining numbers is what? 3, 2, 4, 5. It is looking like how many numbers? This is one unit. And this is one
Four.
number, this is one number, this is one number. So what is 4 numbers? So those 4 numbers can be arranged in 4 factorial ways.
So into 2 factorial ways.
Very good. Very good.
2 factorial.
Very good. Now I open the chocolate cover. 2 numbers are there. It is 2 factorial. Very good. Very good. Now the question number 4. Sir, 2, 4 never together. 2, 4 never together. Since 2, 4 never together, first write the remaining numbers.
Yes, right.
1, 3, 5. These 3 can be arranged in 3 factorial ways. Those 3 can be arranged in 3 factorial ways. I mean, how many blanks we have? 1, 2, 3, 4. We have a 4 blanks. For what? For 2, 4 never together. For 2, 4, we have 4 blanks. 4 blanks, 2 numbers, 4 P2 ways. 4 blanks, so 2 numbers, so 4 P2. So 2, 4 never together. Nothing else, Baba. You should understand here. Whenever I said together, we have to keep it in those numbers in chocolate cover. Whenever never together, we have to arrange the remaining numbers and we have to count the number of blanks. If anything you want me to repeat, let me know. Please understand. If you understand, please comment.
Sir, what is the answer of 2?
4 factorial. Answer of 2 is 4 factorial. Shall I repeat anything? Completed.
Completed, sir.
Completed?
Yes, sir.
Raj, you are writing.
Yes, sir.
please. Now I'll give one question. Will you try? Try to do it.
Yes,
okay?
sir.
I'll do some time. Try to do it. I think everyone copied. So the question is find the number of ways of arranging letters of the word we can write SPORT sport. Letters of the word sport. First one. Total number of ways. Second one. Vowels together. Third one. No two vowel together. No two vowel together. That's it. Start with this. The fourth one also we can do.
So first one 5 factorial.
Yeah, 5 factor.
Sir, 5 factorial.
How many vowels are there? Only one vowel is there.
1.
One sweet. One vowel only there. There is no that much. Want to take the thing. Yes, boss. Now right.
Second, 5 factorial into 1 factorial.
The word
Sir,
is
second one
AS.
2 factorial into 6 factorial.
Complete it first. Afterwards, I'll explain. ASPORT is the spelling. ASPORT is the spelling. Sport.
Sir, third one 5 factorial into 4 factorial.
Do it, I check it out. Bharat. Shall I start?
So last one 2 into 4 factorial.
I check it.
Complete, sir.
2 into 4 factor is correct. 4 factor is correct.
Sir, last one 2 factorial into 4 factorial.
Yeah, correct. 2 factor into 4 4 factorial is correct. Now I'm writing the things. First one, total number of ways. Total number of ways equal to, since 6 letters are there, it is 6 factorial. Second one, vowels together.
6 factorial into 2 factorial.
Very good. Whenever they said vowels together, take a one chocolate cover and keep the vowels. Vowels are AO. And the remaining numbers are SPOR. This is one
Sir,
unit.
SPRT.
SPRT, sorry, Papa. Thank you. Now this is one letter and these are 4. 4 plus 1, it is 5. They can be arranged in 5 factorial. After that, open the chocolate cover. 2 letters are there. It is 2 factorial. Now third one. No two vowels together. No two vowels together means first arrange the consonants. No two vowels together means first arrange the consonants. S, P, R, T. Those 4 can be arranged in 4 factorial ways. Now, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 blanks are there for vowels. And I have 2 vowels. 5P2.
5p2.
Very good. Very good. And the fourth one. Starting and ending with a vowel. 2 vowels are there. Here one place, here one place. 2 vowels, 2 blanks, 2 factorial ways. The remaining 4 blanks are there. 4 letters. It is 4 factorial.
4 factorial 2.
Okay, na? Very good. So many members, they responded very well. If anyone wants me to explain it, I'll explain it again. Please let me know.
Sir, the third one.
Third one. No two vowels together. Whenever they said no two vowels together, first we have to arrange the consonants. S, P, R, T. 4 can be arranged in 4 factorial ways. Now in between, how many places are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These 5 for what? These 5 for A and O. So 5 blanks are there, 2 letters are there. It is called 5P2. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Can I go to the next one? Next one. Find the number of ways find the number of ways, comma, ways of arranging 1, 2, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, so that first one, all possible 5-digit numbers. Second one, divisible by 5. Third one, even numbers. Fourth one, 0 should be in the middle of a number. 0 should be in the middle of a number. Fifth one, 0 should be in the middle of a number. And the fifth one, one, 2, 3, 4 should be Just do four questions. Start. By again together problems already finished. Now this is the last question. Question number S. Find all possible something.
Sir, first one 6p5.
Next.
The second one 2 into 4 factorial.
Sir, 4 into 4 factorial.
The third one 4 factorial into 2 factorial.
The fourth one 4 factorial into 3 factorial.
So third one 4 factorial into 2 factorial.
4 factorial into 2 factorial. Okay, that's a work. Do it in the let's calculate. What is the first answer? Say what will be the first answer?
4
6p.
into 4 factorial.
See, I'll say all possible 5-digit number they are asking. Na? First one, solution. All positive, first question. All positive 5-digit number they are asking. The numbers are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. We should not keep 0 in the first blank since it is 5-digit. So first blank can be filled in 4 ways. Either with 1 or with 2 or with 3 or with 4. Suppose I filled with this. Now how many numbers I have? 4. How many blanks I have? 4. 4 into 4 factor. The first number should not be 0 na baba. So that blank can be filled with 1, 2, 3, 4, anything. So the first one 4 into 4 factor. Next. It should be divisible by 5. Sir, 5 table, if you study 5 table, the last digit is 0 or last digit is 5. If the last, it is case 1. Last digit is 0. It is case 2. Last digit is 5. If last digit is 0, baki there are 4 blanks. Though can be finished in 4 factorial ways. If the last digit is 5, what are the numbers we have? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If the last digit is 5, we have 5 numbers. Sorry, 5 is there, no there. Last number should be 0. Sorry. The numbers are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Since it is divisible by 5 means last number should be 0. If I keep 0, remaining 4 blanks can be filled in 4 factorial ways. Third, they said even number. Even number means it may be 2, it may be 4, it may be 0. if it is 0, remaining 4 can be arranged in 4 factorial. If it is 4, बाकी numbers क्या 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 में, if this is 4, now in our hand we have 0, 1, 2, 3. This blank should not be filled with 0. So this can be filled in 3 ways. And remaining 3 numbers, this can be filled in 3 factorial. That is equal to 3 into 3 factorial. Like this. Okay. And fourth question, 0 in the middle. If you keep 0 in the middle, बाकी 4 numbers, 4 blanks can be filled in 4 factorial. So this is only the tough one.
Sir, once more you explain the third number.
That's what.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
The third one I'm explaining. What is the question? Can anyone say? What is the third one?
Even numbers.
Even numbers. When I'm saying about the even numbers, the last blank should be either 0 or 2 or 4. Even number matlab last number should be even number. If the last number is 0, बाकी कितना numbers है भाई? 4 numbers. And I have 4 blanks. 4 numbers can be filled in 4 factorial ways. First one. If I filled with 2, now remaining क्या numbers है? So remaining numbers are 0,
0,
1,
1,
3, 4. Now to fill these 4 blanks, I should not keep 0 here. So the number of ways to keep a number is 3, either 3 or 1 or 4. If I kept 4 here, then 3 numbers baki hai and 3 blanks hai. So that can be filled in 3 factorial into a first blank can be filled in 3 ways. 3 into 3 factorial. The same argument, it is 3 into 3 factorial. We have to add all the things. Shall I repeat again? Right. Any question? Sir, thank you very much for this very good
Thank you,
session.
sir.
And day after tomorrow again.
Yes, sir.
Thank you very much.
Thank you,
Thank you,
sir.
sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, bye.
Thank you, sir.